Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us here at Finiko Canada. And this is a video to show you how to transfer money to Finiko from your Shakepay wallet. I'm going to show you every steps so you do not make any errors. It's very, very important that you look closely, you look at everything that I'm doing. If this is your first time, if you have never done this before, it's very important just because once you transfer the money and if any of the steps are not done properly, we need to make sure to avoid the money being sent somewhere else or not getting added to your wallet on Finiko. But do not be scared. It's super simple. Just follow the video that I'm showing you here. You should not have any problems. So first of all, we need to see how much money we want to send. So at this point, I'm just going to test out everything with 20 Canadian dollars. Once you added your money, you should see it on the top of your application Shakepay. As you can see, I have $1,217.02. But this is total, which means I have 265.06 of Canadian dollars. I'm just gonna go here. I press on those two little arrows on the bottom. I'm going to click buy and sell. I'm going to type 20 Canadian dollars and it will give me 0.0027983. This is very important. Why? Because once you're going to send the money to Finiko, Finiko will charge you the commission fee of 3%. The reason why you need to send a bit more than you need is just to avoid your money being frozen in between. Because if you want to send, let's say, 20 Canadian dollars, which could be equivalent of, I don't know, 16 American dollars, it will not accept the money automatically just because it will not include 3% of commissions that Finiko is charging you. So the money will be frozen before getting accepted. So you have to contact their support system, ask them, can you please accept money as is? So they will charge you the actual 3%. So you will not receive not 16 American dollars, but less, which is why I'm going to show you how to do it properly. So you're going to buy this money here. So again, memorize this. You should have 0.00027. You buy Bitcoin. You make sure everything's correct. Confirm. So you have to have this message. This means you have an extra, a bit of Bitcoins. As you can see, I have $503.26 worth of Bitcoin right now. So now I'm going to the Finiko website. This is the main page. And you have to click on buy CFR. Just to make sure, one CFR is equivalent of 1 American dollars. So it exactly comes the same amount as is. But the minimum you have to send is $10. So if you want to test out everything, just make sure it works. We strongly suggest you to start with the same $10 or $20 just to see your Finiko wallet receives the money. If everything's fine, all you have to do is type here. So if I'm sending at this point 20 Canadian dollars, I want to see that I'm sending, let's say, 14 American dollars, including the commissions they're going to charge you, which is 3%. Keep in mind that this whole transaction should be not more than 30 minutes. Why is that? Finiko will fix your price at the same price that you purchased Bitcoin, because as you know, Bitcoin jumps pretty fast up and down. So you have exactly 30 minutes to send the money in order to keep the same price that you bought it for. You go here, you agree on everything they're asking. Don't be scared, this button is still in Russian. They should be translating it soon, but this means go to the payment. That's pretty much it. And you look at it again. You go, you press, and it will give you, you need to send 0.002578. As you remember, we bought 0.00027, which means we're going to be sending a bit more than they're asking. This is exactly what we need. And we need to copy this payment address because this address will give us possibility to send money to. This should be written as is. Please make sure to copy it and do not miss any letter, any number, anything, because this is the way blockchain gonna accept your money. This is the way your money will be sent to the proper place. You just press on this little link here. It should say copied. You go back and you have to press send. As you can see, the system already selected and added for me the key, so I can send money right away without any typing. So here, and I'm going to type 0027. Press continue. And then press confirm. So as you can see, Shakepay sent to us email confirmation that this was done. So we kind of have the confirmation that the money was sent, and we close and we wait. So as you can see, we have now $12,010.99 added here. Before that, it was $11.94, I think, thousand. So we're just gonna go to operations, and you see it says replenishment 14 and 66. So since we added 44, we asked to add 44 American dollars. They add a little bit more just because we send a little bit more. So don't worry. If ever you need to send a bit more just to make sure to cover the 3% commission, they will still send you the same amount that you're asking with the commission already. So let's say if you're asking to accept, let's say 1,000 American dollars, but you send 1,200, they will add you this minus the commission, so you'll get your money. Do not worry, it will not be wasted anywhere, it will not be gone anywhere. So that's it. And as soon as you see the money, you can start investing. And in the next series of videos, we actually going to show you all the strategies, all the packages, and where and how you can grow exponentially within Finiko. Thank you, everyone.